Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's video for class 12 from the solid state. Now our topic is the packing of the constituent particles in a crystal in three dimensions. So let's we start. In three-dimensional packing, atoms are arranged x-axis, y-axis or as well as z-axis. It is of three types. Now here first is A type. Second is AB type. And now third is ABC type. Now here we will discuss that one by one, what is A type, AB type and ABC type. So let's start. First is A type. In this type, atoms are arranged x-axis, y-axis or as well as z-axis. Here, the arrangement of an atom along x, y or z axis is same. There are three layers of atom. Now, for example, just if there is the first layer where atoms are arranged along x-axis. Now here is the second row, here atoms are arranged along y-axis, and third is where atoms are along as z-axis. Now there are three layers in which we have to see that the atoms in the middle layer of this arrangement is touched with 6 number of atom. For example, here that first, second, 3 and 4. यहाँ 4 तो क्या होंगे, साइड से होंगे, और थर्ड 3 डायमेंशनल है तो एक एटम इसके कहाँ रखा होगा, इसके ऊपर रखा होगा, और एक ही एटम इसके कहाँ रखा होगा, जस्ट नीचे रखा होगा. तो यहाँ पे एक एटम 6 एटम से टच होता है. तो सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन से दैट In this type of arrangement, an atom is touched with 6 other atoms. So the coordination number is six, and it also form it just like as a square. So its name is three-dimensional square packing. Three-dimensional square packing. Now it is a AAA type arrangement. Here atoms are arranged x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. Now the arrangement of an atom along x-axis, y-axis or z-axis is same. Due to this, an atom is touched with 6 other atoms, so the coordination number is 6. And now it forms just like as a square. So its name is three-dimensional square packing. Now the next is ABAB type arrangement. AB type. This type of arrangement is called HCP, which means hexagonal close packing. In HCP, tetrahedral voids covered. Here arrangement of atom are different. 2A is two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal packing arrangement of an atom. And B is tetrahedral void layer which is formed on the layer A, and again layer is Also, on layer B, so this type of an arrangement of an atom AB is called three-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Type arrangement here, A is the two-dimensional hexagonal packing arrangement. Two-dimensional hexagonal packing arrangement is that here atoms are, now these atoms are just touch with each other, but in it is in three-dimensional, so we to understand it just like these atoms are arrangement is here. Now along y-axis the atoms are arranged in between the two atoms, here in between the two atoms. And now next is here atoms are just below the first layer. Now here B is tetrahedral voids. B is tetrahedral voids का मतलब है कि जो यहाँ पे ये हमारे पास पहले तो ये क्या है हमारे पास टाइप A अरेंजमेंट. A is टू डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल पैकिंग. फिर एटम ये इसके ऊपर है तो एक एटम ये क्या है इसके जस्ट नीचे है. तो यहाँ पे इस एटम को ऊपर से रखने के बाद ये आपस में क्या है एक दूसरे से टच है जस्ट लाइक इज दिस. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे इन तीनों को कंबाइन करने के बाद जब हम यहाँ फोर्थ एटम रखते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या हमारे पास एक ये होल सा बचता है, ये स्पेस बचता है. तो इसे हम क्या कहते हैं voids कहते हैं. जो when the empty space are left while arrange the atoms, now these are voids, and when voids are formed by the four atoms, now then it is known as tetrahedral voids. तो यहाँ पे जस्ट लाइक आप देखिए यहाँ फिर से कि यहाँ हमने तीन एटम्स लिए तो इन तीन एटम्स के ऊपर अगर हम एक एटम और रखते हैं इनके ऊपर ही तो यहाँ एक क्या होता है एम्प्टी स्पेस होता है इनके बीच में. तो इस एम्प्टी स्पेस को ही हम क्या कहेंगे voids कहेंगे. क्या कहेंगे इन्हें voids कहेंगे. अगर तीन के थ्रू ये voids बनेगा तो उसे ट्राइगोनल voids कहेंगे. फोर के थ्रू बनेगा ये void तो टेट्राहेड्रल voids. और सिक्स एटम्स के थ्रू अगर कोई भी voids बनता है एम्प्टी स्पेस बनता है तो दैट इज द ऑक्टाहेड्रल voids. नाउ हियर B atom is B layer is formed the tetrahedral voids. Now here in between tetrahedral voids. Now और उसके बाद फिर क्या होगी हमारे पास ये A layer क्या है टू डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल पैकिंग and B layer is the tetrahedral voids. So here the arrangement of the A type or B type is different. So its name is AB types, and the name of this arrangement is the three-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Trigonal voids. Voids which is formed by the help of three atom is called trigonal void. just like as that here one atom, two atom, and here is three atom. Now this is the voids, and this is the complete is trigonal voids, because this void is formed by the three atoms. Tetrahedral void. Voids which is formed by the help of four atoms. Voids which is formed by the help of four atoms. Just like is that 1, 2 and here is 3 and one atom is here. Now this void is formed, this is the voids, and this void is formed by the four atoms, so it is known as tetrahedral voids. Octahedral void. Which is formed with the help of six atoms is called octahedral voids. Just like here. Here is tetrahedral voids. Here is tetrahedral voids. And here is also tetrahedral voids. Now here this void is formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 atoms. So it is known as octahedral voids. The voids which is formed by the 6 atoms is known as octahedral voids. Now the next is in three-dimensional face-centered cubic या फिर cubic close packing CCP. In this type of packing, arrangement of an atom is just like ABC, ABC, where A is two-dimensional hexagonal packing, B is layer of tetrahedral voids, and layer C is octahedral voids. Octahedral means one atom is touch with six other atoms. Now we can see here this is the arrangement of two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Now here this is the layer of A and this is the layer of B of tetrahedral voids. Here this is the layer of tetrahedral voids. Now here this is the voids and here one atom, this is the layer of C. Here this is the layer of A. Here T, that is the tetrahedral voids, this is the layer of B, and here this is the O. O means that is the octahedral void, this is the layer of C. Now here the arrangement of A, B and C are different. A is two-dimensional hexagonal packing and B is the arrangement layer of the tetrahedral voids and C is the layer of octahedral voids. So from here the name of this arrangement of an atom is known as FCC, face centered cubic या CCP, cubic close packing. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.